Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change theme in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left side list. Go to Themes. You will see available themes. Click on the theme that you want to apply it. It will change immediately. You can also look up more themes. Click on Browse Themes. Microsoft Store will open. Look for the theme that you like. Click on it. Click on Get. Wait until the download is done. Go to Theme Settings. Select the theme that you just downloaded. It will apply automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!